Good morning from the farm. The Saanen milking herd is enjoying their first feeding of the day.
Good morning, everyone. Time to let the kids out for their breakfast.
All right, everyone, we're letting the Saanen herd out to the east pasture this morning. They're always so eager to get out here and graze.
Good morning from the farm. The Boer goats are already out enjoying the fresh pasture and the early sun, which is typical for their daily routine.
This is Daisy. She always loves a good scratch in the morning. We're getting the herd ready for their first milking of the day.
Good morning from the farm. As you can see, the Saanens are starting their day with some fresh hay before heading out to the pasture.
Bringing the girls their morning treat. They can't get enough of these fresh leaves. Look at these guys getting their fill before we let them out to pasture. Here you go, guys, some extra breakfast today.
They really do love their evening pellets. They'll gently butt heads like this until everyone gets their fill.
This is Betsy. She's one of our best Saanen goats. Milking her by hand takes a little practice, but it's very calming. All right, the bulk tank is just about full now, so I'm going to shut off this valve. We collected about 200 gallons this morning. And that's the last of the morning milking. Time to clean up and let these girls out to pasture. They did so well today.
That's the morning milking done. Just got to seal this up and get it cooled down. The girls did well today.
We always make sure the equipment is spotless before we begin. It's the most important part of the routine.
They always want to help when I'm trying to muck out the stalls. All right, move along now.
We try to keep the bedding fresh, especially in the winter months. These guys are always curious about the wheelbarrow. Nothing like fresh bedding day, right, guys? They absolutely love this stuff.
Это давлять по однах першаса носа. Додати заш на бадьбе вже защелчку в нобі. Вот это чисто почувствовать. Это
Welcome back to the farm. It's feeding time for the Nubians. We keep everything organized and clean for a reason. Happy goats produce better milk.
All right, everyone, keep moving. Come on in. Yes, you too, big fella. Time for breakfast. All right, everyone, evening feed time. Look how excited they are for this grain. It's beautiful out here tonight.
Look who's waiting patiently by the gate this morning. He knows it's time to round up the goats.
Good morning, everyone. Let's get these lights on for the goats.
The girls are all settled in for the night. They love their evening hay, don't you, sweetie?